finally getting around to putting things back together. Fixing the footer and the foundation. It's starting to look good. Wasn't for sure how it was going to work, but man, it's working good. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick little update on the foundation repair on the house flip. Freaking wore out, work all day. And then stop by here to try to get some stuff done. That's all right. I'm just trying to catch up. Oh yeah, you want to hear a joke? So there was a mommy tomato and a daddy tomato walking with the kid, and the kid got behind, and the mommy tomato said, "Hey, go help little tomato out." Daddy tomato went over there and stomped on him and said, "Catch up." Sorry about that.